Mr. Grouper, Mr. Grouper! We saw a bulldozer just like mine, only bigger. And there was a dump truck, too, just like... What's wrong? My dump truck! I forgot my dump truck. He forgot his dump truck. He probably left it back at the construction site. Oh, no!
Oh, don't worry, Opie. Come on, let's go back and see if we can find it.
All right, let's go. Come on. Over here, you guys. We were playing right here, but it looks different. Let's go ask the construction worker. Maybe they saw it.
Excuse me,
Well, hey there, guys.
have you seen a toy dump truck around here?
A toy dump truck? No, I'm sorry, I haven't. But I'll sure keep an eye out for it.
Thank you.
My dump truck. Don't worry, Dobie. We'll help you find it. Okay. Wow, awesome! Construction vehicles are cool.